12K, 8K, 4K. Could you tell the difference? Leave your guesses in the comments. Answer at the end of the video. Okay, so now's a good time to pause the video and comment which resolution is which. And don't forget, you can pick up the heavy duty gimbal L bracket at my website motionpicturehardware.com if you want to build your creator rig. And also you can pick up some PYXIS mounting accessories as well as the DJI RS4 PRO and RS3 PRO LiDAR mounting kit. Okay, so here are the resolutions. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff that makes the algorithm happy. So until the next video, stay lucky, stay blessed.